We got a tropical storm on the way, and yeah, high winds. So we'll see how it goes.
Well, I don't know much how much snacking we'll be doing. I don't know. I have great. Let's drive. Jib. Yep, free flying it. Great job, guys. Okay, driving. Okay, so our wind is 50 as heck and on point. We had some really good. Not this year. Okay, probably good, I think. PTSD flashback. Bring it in. Great. There we go. Woo. So I'm not gonna go full beam then. No. I'm gonna come down. Yeah, we actually just got a wind shift, so you're done what they did. Perfect. It's gonna be tight though, like I'm really worried about driving accidentally here. Okay. Yeah, we got a wind swing there. Oh, you should bring the spin. We will at some point. Yeah, we've got a nice wind swing.
lead off one of the main.
Hey. Cheers! Look at that.
Whoa.
Cheers! Cheers! Cheers!
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers.
Good race.
Thank
Good
you.
race.
It's good.
We didn't sink.
We didn't sink. That's all that matters.
Another season.
Only broke one thing.
Yeah,
No one went into the drink.
Didn't sink. No one in the drink. We're good.
Is that our motto?
Yeah.
No one in the drink.